It's been a while since I've been able to bloom, so we're back at it again. So let's get down and see what we can come up with. Now this first bloom, I'm going to take my time and explain to you exactly what's going on and take it step by step. First thing down was my pillow paint. This is a house paint low sheen. I use PPG Multi Pro. This is my All of my products and my colors will be down in the description, and I'll give you a basic outline of what I've mixed with. These have been mixed with Valspar Ultra Base C, and to thicken these, I used Behr Dynasty, also Base 3. So I've got purple and I've got violet, and I've got two shades of yellow here today. And all of my colors have been mixed exactly the same way. The majority of it is the Valspar Ultra, and I've thickened with the Dynasty. Now, my intention here is I'm going to spend the time layering different in different order. In this case, I went the darkest purple to the violet, then the darkest yellow to the bright yellow. And it will show you the fact that everything, it matters how you layer it. Okay, this is titanium white Amsterdam, and it's mixed with Australian Floetrol. There are plenty of recipes out there for using American Floetrol, but this is my preference. And this is carbon black, mixed exactly the same way. Blowing this out, and the blow is very important. You saw right at the beginning, I blew straight down to spread out that cell activator, and now I'm blowing out the edges to bring over to the sides. The blow is something that you have to practice because it doesn't come automatically. Now this is real time. This is how fast I spin. And most people think I spin really fast. That's because I usually speed it up just a little bit, and it's amazing. Just a little bit will make it look like it's going real fast. It's not. Now what I did, I pick up my tool, and I'm just filling in the little points there, as Karen Durskin likes to call them, the bikini corners, and that allows the paint to just flow across the blank part of the tile. And these are simple tiles. I get them at Home Depot. You can get them at Lowe's or whatever hardware store you have nearby. It's a great surface to work with, and if you don't like what you got, you can easily scrape it and wash it off, and it's brand new. Just making sure I've got my sides covered. This is the first one I've done in a very, very long time. I think the last time I did it was before last December, so yeah, it's been a while. I'm gonna pick up my spat. Basically, it's a burger flipper, and I'm gonna show you what I have here in just a second. I picked it up at a hardware store, but it works beautifully. You find your tools where you find them. Let's take a closer look. You can see I got really nice cells, and I couldn't be unhappy about it if I tried. I'm going to speed this up a little bit. So this is twice the speed. You've seen the process once, so now I'm going to just sit back and I'll interject as we come to new things. You have noticed that I changed up the paint this time, peanut butter this time. Put my darkest yellow, then my lightest yellow, and I'm actually going the other way around. My darkest purple and the violet. And I think with this one I also flip the cell activators. The black is first and with the white on top. Okay, I'll leave you to watch. If you enjoy my content, I invite you to go ahead and subscribe. It's absolutely free. Leave a like and a comment. It helps with the algorithm, and it also helps YouTube to know that this is something other people might enjoy. So I appreciate your help with that. Let's get back to it. What you're seeing me do here is I'm checking for the depth of the paint to make sure there's not too much paint down on the tile. And that's pragmatic in the sense that I'm making sure that we're not going to have so much paint that it will either crack or craze, which can be really frustrating. Now let's look at this one. This color combination, it looks like I used all different colors, but all exactly the same colors. Okay, I'm going to mix this up again. This is my darkest purple. We started that with the first one, but now I'm going to put the yellow directly on top of that. With the darker yellow on top of that. Finally, the lavender. Every one of these combinations is going to give you a different effect. It's going to give you different color combinations, really make a huge difference. I have really missed doing blooms. They're very relaxing. It's very zen for me. I just enjoy the process. That lavender on the top really has something special going on. I really do like the look of that against the yellow. Let me know down in the comments which one of these tiles you like the best. Here we go. Again, beautiful cells. I could be unhappy with that. I'm going to start with the darkest yellow, followed by the lavender, followed by the light yellow, and just a dab of purple on top. And because this is a dark right the first thing down, I put the white cell activator top with the black cell activator. Checking the depth. And let's take a closer look on this one. So, do let me know which one you like the best. Let's take a closer look at each one of the tiles and call it a day. And this is in the order of which I did them. Now this has been Thursday Train. Up before me was Gert of Gert Creates. And up after me is going to be Just Janice, followed by Corey and Adrian with Art's Really Cool. So I'm really hoping you did get something out of this. And again, leave a comment down below and let me know if you have any questions. I answer every question I get as best I can, sometimes a little slow, but I do get to it. So please let me hear from you. I'm going to call it a day, and I hope you have a great day. Bye for now.